Hello friends, so in this video you will watch top 10 future biggest stadiums in the world. The Kai Tak Sports Park will be built in Hong Kong, Kowloon. It will be 50,000 in capacity and the opening date of the stadium is around 2025. On number 9, Nou Masetela. The Nou Masetela will be built in Spain, Valencia City. This stadium will be around 54,000 in capacity and the opening date of the stadium is around 2022. On number 8, Al Bayt Stadium. The Al Bayt Stadium will be built in Qatar, Al Khor City. This stadium will be around 60,000 in capacity and the opening date of the stadium is 2022. On number 7, Morodok Teko National Stadium. The Morodok Teko National Stadium will be built in Cambodia, Phnom Penh City. This stadium will be around 75,000 in capacity and the opening date of the stadium is 2021. On number 6, Bramley Moore Dock Stadium. The Bramley Moore Dock Stadium will be built in England, Liverpool City. This stadium will be around 60,000 in capacity and it will be open in 2023. On number 5, New Feyenoord Stadium. The new Feyenoord Stadium will be built in Netherlands, Rotterdam City. It will be around 63,000 in capacity and it will open in 2025. Number 4, Jakarta International Stadium. The Jakarta International Stadium will be built in Indonesia, Jakarta. This stadium will be around 82,054 in capacity and it will open in year 2021. On number 3, Lusail Iconic Stadium. The Lusail Iconic Stadium will be built in Qatar, Lusail City. The Lusail Iconic Stadium will be around 86,250 in capacity and it will open in year 2025. On number 2, Grand Stade de Casablanca. The Grand Stade de Casablanca will be built in Morocco, Casablanca City. This stadium will be around 93,000 in capacity and it will be opened in year 2025. On number 1, Guangzhou Evergrande Stadium. The Guangzhou International Stadium will be built in China, Guangzhou City. This stadium will be around 1 lakh in capacity and it will be opened in year 2022.